How to convert WhatsApp group into community. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Play Store. Simply tap on the source icon and search for WhatsApp. Now once you're done, simply tap on the source icon. Now tap on WhatsApp Messenger and make sure to update the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now open up your WhatsApp group. Now simply tap on profile of WhatsApp group. Now scroll down. Now tap on add a group to Now click on add group to a community. Now simply tap on new community. Now click on get started. Now enter the community name. Now tap on next. Now click on OK. Now wait for some time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.